Got a switch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a subtle look. I know the girls in the flat twist, the little braids in the front is very trendy. It's never gonna go out of style, especially with the wavy hair. We did the half up, half downs, we did the side parts, we did the center parts. So now we'll be trying to switch it up a little bit. So I thought this hairstyle would be super cute and quick, especially for the girls who don't want to do too much, like all the extra technical styling. You could do something like this and it's still gonna give you what it needs to give. So with that being said, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. What are we thinking about this look? I think it's so cute with the two little flat twists. So I did put some of the Clairol root touch up. It is very heavy and dense and thick. Please be careful with this. You can easily mess up and easily make a mess, so be very careful with that. So I'm not going to be touching anywhere up here anytime soon, honestly. But yes, this is how it came out. So this is how long the wig is. I have to like literally back up. This is how long the wig is. I would say it's about 30 inches. 30 inches, and it's holding. Like, it looks so good. And especially with the outfit, it just compliments y'all. Today is my birthday, so I'm trying to do something calm for my little quick errands or whatever. Just something cute and calm. First of all, let's talk about the waves in this hair. Y'all know I love water wave hair. I don't really care for curly. I don't care for kinky curl. I don't care for body wave. Straight is always a vibe. Loose wave is pointless. But water wave, I'm in there. It's very subtle, very calm, and you can wear this with the longest lengths and it's still gonna look very pleasant. So y'all know how I feel about water wave. Anyways, y'all, please let me know what y'all think about this look down below in the comments. Y'all already know how I get. If you like this video, make sure you click that like button. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.